Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace fuel injectors. First, gather your essential tools, such as a fuel pressure gauge, a socket set, and new O-rings. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery's negative terminal. Then, it's crucial to relieve the fuel system pressure to prevent any fuel spray or hazards during the process. This preparation ensures a smoother and safer replacement. Now let's access those injectors. Begin by carefully removing any engine covers and the air intake system that might be obstructing your view. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connectors from each individual fuel injector. Be gentle to avoid damaging them. Finally, carefully detach the fuel rail from its mounting points, which will expose the injectors for removal. With the fuel rail detached, you can now gently pull the old fuel injectors from their ports. Sometimes they might be a bit stubborn, so a slight twist can help. Before installing the new injectors, always remember to put new O-rings and seals on them. This ensures a proper seal and prevents leaks. Then, carefully press the new injectors firmly into their designated ports. You're almost done. Reconnect the fuel rail securely and attach all the electrical connectors to the new injectors. Then, reinstall the air intake system and any engine covers you removed earlier. Double-check all connections. Finally, start the engine and carefully inspect for any fuel leaks around the new injectors. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your fuel injectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.